Hello, I'm Jodie. I grew up in foster care in Carmarthenshire. I entered the foster care system as a teenager and I left when I was 18 years old. During my time in foster care, I had two foster carers. One very lucky day I met Jackie, the biggest blessing that ever came into my life. She took me horse riding the first time that I met her, and then on the way back from the horse riding, we stopped in the shop and she asked me to choose whatever biscuits I wanted, and we chose like an assorted selection. And we went home and we watched Children in Need together, and I just felt safe for the first time in a very long time. Now that might sound simple to you, but for me, who had never really been able to relax and enjoy the little things in life, that meant everything. Due to ongoing concerns at home, I then moved in with Jackie full-time. I was very, very lucky, and 14 years on now, we still have the most magical relationship. We are mother and daughter. Good times. Jackie lives around the corner from me. We love going walking together. She is a grandmother to my children, and she has shown me the mother that I would like to be. For a long time I didn't talk about the fact that I grew up in foster care. It's not often spoken about, and I did worry about being judged, but now I've made peace with my past and I'm really proud of where I come from. Jackie has taught me how to be a strong, independent woman. If you're to ask me on this planet one person who is my inspiration, it is Jackie. Sorry. Jackie has got a heart of gold. She always goes above and beyond for me. Nothing is ever too much for her, and she's the reason that I am here today. I'm now a mum of two beautiful daughters. I run a successful business, and I'm really happy in life despite everything that's ever been thrown at me.
What about the hardest point of being in foster care, Jodie?
I would say the hardest part of being in foster care is definitely feeling different, and as a child feeling very responsible for the circumstances that you end up in. But as an adult now, I've realised that these were things beyond my control and I don't need to feel that.
What's been the most difficult thing about leaving care?
The most difficult thing for me was definitely worrying about whether I'd still have that family unit that I'd made within foster care. But lucky enough for me, I can't get rid of Jackie. She's over there now watching me in the corner of the room, and yeah, just it couldn't have worked out any better. To anybody who has been through the foster care system or is currently in it, I'm proud of you, and just know how no matter how hard it gets, this is just a small period of your life and your potential is extraordinary.